Kia ora, and welcome to Heapy's Tips and Tricks. Hāpara offers valuable tools and features that can greatly assist educators in enhancing communication with families. Let's look at examples using the Hāpara suite to engage with families effectively. Hāpara Highlights has a powerful feature called Snaps. Snaps provides an excellent way for educators to showcase what learners are working on in class. Whether it's a noteworthy achievement or in an area that needs improvement, educators can capture and share snapshots of learners' work with families. This visual representation helps families better understand their child's progress and can actively participate in their education. Snaps can also be shared directly with a learner via email to provide immediate feedback and support, redirection, and praise. Snaps can be downloaded and saved for many purposes, including conversations around a learner's academic progress during family conferences. Hāpara's award-winning student dashboard allows learners to access and manage their digital content, including assignments and assessments, Google Classroom announcements, and other important information, including upcoming due dates and teacher communication. Educators should encourage learners to sit with family members and view their student dashboard together. This will give families direct visibility into the tasks and activities that their child is working on. This real-time access fosters transparency and informs families of their child's academic journey. Hāpara Workspace provides a comprehensive, detailed view of students' learning. Educators can create and curate digital workspaces that contain resources, materials, and assignments related to specific subjects or projects. When learners share their view of Workspace with their families, they can delve deeper into the learning materials and gain a more comprehensive understanding of the curriculum. This transparency allows parents to effectively support their child's learning and engage in meaningful conversations about their academic development. Hāpara offers a range of tools that empower educators to facilitate communication with families. From sharing snaps from Hāpara Highlights to viewing student dashboard and workspaces, Hāpara promotes transparency, collaboration, and engagement between schools, educators, learners, and families. By leveraging these features, educators can strengthen the home-school partnership and create a supportive learning environment for learners. Thanks for watching.